Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Snapchat adding friends, which means if you are using Snapchat and you want to add more and more friends, and if you try to do that, an error occurs while you do that, or you cannot send any kind of friend request or to anyone on Snapchat. For example, if you click on the chat here and if you click on add friends here, and if you try to add friends from here and you do not add friends and an error occur while doing that, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on Bitmoji profile. After that, you have to click on settings, and here you have to simply search for I need help, and here you will find the Snapchat support section, and here you have to simply search for your problem adding friends, and they will tell you detail about that matter adding friends, so that you can simply get the help from Snapchat support team. And here you have to simply click on troubleshoot issues adding friends on Snapchat, and here it will deal all kind of errors related to adding friends. And here you have to simply search for that problem, and here you have to simply search for the problem, and here you will find Snapchat's support form, and here you have to simply provide here your username, here you have to provide your email address, and here you have to provide your mobile number, and here you have to simply provide the description or the problem you are having, which is as hello Snapchat team, when I try to add friends on Snapchat, an error occurs while doing that, and I am unable to add anyone on Snapchat into my friends. Kindly solve this problem for me as soon as possible. And after that, you have to simply fill the captcha on the Snapchat, and you have to simply submit that form. And within few hours, Snapchat team will connect to you and ask you the detail of the problem, and within few days your problem will be solved by the Snapchat support team. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.